Hey there. Happy Monday night. I just got home from work. It's about 8:30. I work late on Monday nights, and so we decided to order sushi tonight from the place by our house. It's almost kind of like a fast food sushi place. The rice bowl. It's quick. It's cheaper than going to an actual Japanese restaurant where you sit down and stuff. So we're gonna get some takeout, and I'll bring it back home and show you what we got. Alright, it is 5:30 and I am out of work for the evening. Got a few things to do on the way home. Gonna go see mom and dad and help dad out with a couple things. Then I gotta run to the store and then going home. Get some dinner and see what's going on for the evening. So, talk to you soon. So I'm driving down the street in my parents' neighborhood. It's actually a neighborhood I grew up in, and I can't help but feeling a little nostalgic every time I come over here, remembering when I was a kid here on this road. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Do you guys get that way too when you go visit your the place where you grow up, or your parents' house? It's always fun to go back and see and visit the area you grew up in. So let me know. Alright, so at the store now, stopped off to help mom and dad with a few things. It was good to see them. But look at this sky. See if I can get it to focus. The clouds and the sky and the sun, they look awesome tonight. But remember what I said in the first video about rain every evening? Well, we had one night off of the rain. Last night it didn't rain, but here we go again. These look so good. Should I surprise Rob with one? Thinking maybe we will. What should we get? He likes the cheese Danish. Let's see if they have any of those. There we go. Alright, so just in the time I was in the store, which was not long at all, we have thunder, we have lightning, and we're gonna have our evening storm. Looks cool. So there you go. That's Rob's special salad dressing with steak, tomatoes, croutons. That makes a good salad. But the one key is that you always have to give your kiddos a piece of steak too. Good kids. You like the ass? This is Asimov. Hi. And Coco. Good morning, everyone. It's hump day, Wednesday. Good to see you again. Just pulled into work. Today is working for a while at my day job, and then heading down to Fort Myers for the first rehearsal for the Staycation concerts. So I think I've got a lot to share with you before we do that. So I may go ahead and end this vlog here and start a new vlog entry for the Staycation concerts to share with you. So have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.